Okay, so we had done what in the last class? Let me revise it. Okay, for you, we had done what? Let's take an example. There was, let's take an example. There was 15 kg of apple or anything at the rate 70 rupees 70 per kg, right? And there was 20 kg of apple at the rate rupees 50 per kg. Okay, so we had what? We had what? 70. Let's say this was 60. Okay, 1. Okay, then let's this be 71. Let's this be 71. Okay. Now, what did we learn? This was the kg needs to come over the seesaw, right? Over the seesaw. Okay, this was 15, this was 20, and the ratio was 3 is to 4. So, we would need to, the per kg one will come here and per kg one will come here. Okay, we would need to do the math, right? This will be 4 is to 3, the reciprocal of this ratio, right? 4 is to 3, and we can easily divide it in 4 upon 7. Okay, this is 4 is to 3, so this will be 4 upon 7 into 21, because this is 4 plus 3, right? This will be 4 3 is 12, and this will be 3 3 is 9. Okay, so 12 and 9. Okay, what would be the average? What would be the average? Average would be 50 plus 9, or 70 minus 12, 71 minus 12. Okay, this was 59 and this will be 59. So we have reached the same equation through both the, okay. So we have reached the same equation through both the ways, right? You both understand it, right? Hello, Udit and Ravi. हाँ, समझ में आ गया ना? नहीं नहीं, कल वाला ही रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. आई रिपीटेड द लास्ट डेज लेसन ओनली. ठीक है ना? 15 kg of apple was at 71 per kg, 20 kg of apple was at 50 per kg. We put the kg above the seesaw, right? And 71 and 50 kg is here, right? 3 is to 4 was the ratio of the kgs, so 4 is to 3 will be the ratio of this. The distribution, the distribution of this rate from mean, right? This was mean. So we took the difference and redistributed in the form 4 is to 3, right? And subtracted these values that came, right, from 71 and 50, right? We will add from the lower value and we will subtract from the higher value. So both would come as 59. Clear? कल से clear था ना ये? ठीक है? Okay. So मैंने screen share नहीं कर रखी. अच्छा. ये I don't know why I am making such mistakes. Okay. Now it might be visible. बता दिया करो, ठीक है ना? हाँ. Okay. So yeah. So अब screen visible है, ठीक है ना? ठीक है? Okay. Okay, now let's move. We did what? We also did what? The alligation method. In alligation method, we did what? We put 71 here, right, per kg, 59 here, sorry, 50 here. Okay, what was given here? 50 था ना? Okay, 50 was given here. Okay, and we had x here, right? And we has 3 is to 4 here. Okay, क्या था हमारा उसका रेशियो? 3 is to 4 was the ratio, right? 3 is to 4, 15 is to 20, 3 is to 4 was the ratio. So the ratio will be 4 is to 3, right? The ratio will be 4 is to 3 reciprocal of this. That you have to check in the alligation method, right? That you have to check in the alligation method. Now what would you do through it? We would put 71 minus x upon x minus 50 is equals to 4 is to 3, right? So in this case when the when you need to do the question like this, right, जिसमें हमको mean नहीं दिया हुआ, we have not been given the mean, right? So we would do it by the seesaw method, right? That was easier than doing this, right? Because we need to put the reciprocal and we can see it. The more we see on the paper, the better understanding we have, right? ठीक है रवि तेजा, रवि yeah. So that's why I am discussing different methods, right? I'm discussing different methods so that you would get the total idea how to proceed with different types of questions, right? In one question you may get the answer with the first method, and in the second question you may get the answer by second method, right? Okay, now what would we need to do? Now let's move to the questions. Okay, let's move to the questions. Okay, so let's take a alcohol and solution. A solution of alcohol plus water has been given, okay, with 30% alcohol by concentration. Okay, alcohol by concentration. Okay, if 20 ml of water is added to the solution, okay, 20 ml of water is added. So the final concentration becomes 24%. Okay, final concentration becomes 24%. Find the initial quantity of alcohol and water in the solution. Find the initial quantity. Right, find the initial quantity of alcohol and water. So please find it, right? Quantity of alcohol and water. That's it. Find it out. Okay, done with the question. Done with the question. I'm giving you 1 minute more. Okay, so you won't get it, right? You won't get it through that. Okay. So this question should have been done by Ravi. Okay. Yeah, you got the answer? Okay. Let me see. Uh, okay, what was the concentration amount of water and alcohol? Let me see. Okay, let me. What was the initial quantity of alcohol and water? Uh, okay, you are getting 80 ml as the final quantity. Hello? No, 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 that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, we will do it. We will do it. No problem. Okay, we will do it with both the methods. Okay. So what have we been given here? What have we been given here? Hmm. Okay, let's do it through allegation. Okay, let's do it through allegation. Okay, concentration is final concentration is right. The final concentration is by concentration 20 ml of water added. Okay. Okay, so the final concentration was 24%, right? We will take the concentration as it is, right? This is the mean concentration. And we had what? We had 30% alcohol concentration in the first mixture, right? And the added mixture will have the second mixture which we added with which had 0% concentration, right? That's it. That's it, right? And we would have 6 here and we would have 24 here. We got the ratio right. 4 is to 1. Okay, this is 4 is to 1. So 1 is what? 1 is what? 20 ml, right? 1 is what? 20 ml. Okay, 1 is what? 20 ml, right? This is the concentration of B. Okay, 1 was 20 ml, right? Now, what would you do? And 4 80 ml, right? Okay, 100 ml was there. Okay, final concentration was 100 ml. You are right. Okay, now what would we need to do? Yeah, 70. It has rated 30%, right? 30% of. Okay, 80 ml was present, right? We added 20 ml afterwards, so we had 30% of alcohol means 24 ml of alcohol, and rest is rest is what? Rest is no water. Okay, I have given the 30% alcohol here. Rest would be water. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. So this one part was added afterwards, right? One part was what? 20 ml. We got four part as 80 ml that was present earlier, right? The concentration of alcohol is 30%. So what would you get? 30% is 24 ml. So alcohol will be 24 ml and water will be the rest. 80 minus 24, right? That's it. It would be 56, I think. So no, no. 46. 46 or 56? 56. Okay, this will be 56. Okay, that's it. Got it. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Yeah. Okay, okay. बता देता हूँ, देखो. We had done the allegations yesterday, right? किया था ना? Okay. So we had what? हमको concentration किया हुआ है. Concentration is what? Concentration is what? This is also per liter, right? Concentration per liter आता है ना, alcohol per liter, amount of alcohol per liter, right? So we would put it in the allegation, right? कैसे करेंगे? We would put it in the allegation. This was what? The final concentration was 24%, right? Right. This concentration was 30%, right? And this concentration was 0% because it was pure water, no alcohol present here. Okay. Then we will get what? This will be 6 and this will be 24. Clear till here? Right. This will be what? 6. This will be 4 and this will be 1. Yes. This will be the amount of concentration in which first and second mixture was were mixed. Okay. यही देगा ना? ठीक है? इतना याद है? Okay. So this one part was added, right? One part was added. One part हमें दिया हुआ कितना ऐड हुआ था? 20 ml, right? And four part will be 80 ml then, which was present earlier, right? And 30% of this, as it has been given that the 30% was the concentration of first mixture, then we can find 30% of 80 ml is equals to 24 ml will be the alcohol, right? This is the order you will go, right? Is it clear? Okay. Now let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Well, can you do the last question with the allegation, with the data method I had shared earlier? बताओ. The seesaw method. Let's say this is 30%, right? Concentration नीचे आएगा, right? Concentration will come beneath. This was 24%, right? In between, and this was 0%, right? We can get the 24 is to 1, right? 6 is to, what will we do? Okay, this will be 1 is to 4, right? So what will be the amount we will need to add? This will be 4 is to 1, right? Right. And this was added as 20%, right? 20 ml, sorry. And we can find easily that 80 ml was added here, right? This would have been the matter. Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? It had been given in the question. It had been given in the question that 24% is the resultant of these two mixtures. Okay. The alcohol concentration was 0% and 30%. We get it and we reverse it out, right? So that would be the concentration here. And in that method, we reverse it out already, right? We had reversed it out already, right? We had taken 0% here, and we had reversed it out already. So it may reversal already हो जाता है, right? So this is the thing to catch here. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, next question देता हूँ मैं आपको. ये तो हो गया. Okay, this is in what ratio should a solution of water and alcohol? Okay, in what ratio? In what ratio should a solution of water and alcohol? Should a solution of water and alcohol in the ratio 3:5 be mixed with a solution of water and alcohol in the ratio 7:3 to get a solution with 11:9 ratio. 9 ratio of water and alcohol. Okay, now find the answer. Take both the method. Okay, I am giving you 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, take both the methods. See if you can do it or not. I will explain it again. Okay. Okay, done with it? No? I'm giving you 2 more minutes. Okay, I'm giving you 2 more minutes. You need to do this. You need to do this. Okay, because easing your brain is much. Yeah. Hello. 2:1. I don't know. I don't know. I have to check. I have to check. Okay, 2:1 is your answer. Okay. Okay, 2:1. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. First of all, I would do the alligation method. Okay, that would be easier. So I can take 3 is to 5 has been given as the first mixture, right? And the second mixture has been given as 7 is to 3 to get a solution of 11 is to 9 ratio. Okay. So we can take it as the concentration, right? This will be how much? Water is to alcohol. I am taking the water concentration. Okay, remember it. I am taking the water concentration. Now this will be what? 3 is to 5. Okay, so 3 is to 8 can be written for the first mixture. Now second mixture will be what? 7 is to 10. Now what we have to do? We have to make these denominators equal so that we can compare these. Right, so we can do it as 80, right? LCM would be 80. So we can do it as 80 30 upon 80, right? This will be 7 at the 56 upon 80, right? This will be 11 44 upon 80, right? I have made 80 as the, okay, so this will be easy, right? We won't need to consider the denominator while taking the ratios. So this will be 56 minus 44 is equal to 12 upon 80, right? This will be 44 minus 13 is equal to 14 upon 80, right? That's it. 80 can be done away with, and this will be 6 to 7. That's it. That's it. 6 to 7 should be the amount of mixture that needs to be, okay, the ratio of mixture in which the first mixture and second mixture can be added. Solution should be added, right? Now let's do it with the other method. Let's do it with the other method. Okay. Other method was what? We had we had what? Okay. We had 3 is to 8, right? And 7 is to 10. Okay, this was 11 is to 20. We would also need to do the same here, right? We would get it here. Okay, we can do the same here, right? We will get the same answers. Okay, but it would be reciprocal. This would be 14 upon 80. This will be 12 upon 80. Okay, we have to reciprocate it as 7 is to 6 has been given here. So 6 is to 7 will be the ratio. Done with it? Nothing else to show here? Okay, क्लियर है सबको? हाँ. No, no, we cannot take both here, right? We will take the concentration of one only. Okay. एक का concentration ले, दो का concentration ले, concentration सेम ही आएगा ना? ठीक है ना? Okay. देखो, if I say that I did 6x plus 7y, okay, 6x plus 7y, okay, then if I know x or y का value and 6 and 7 are the ratios of water only, तो मुझे याद आएगा ना, if I know the final mixture is 6.5, okay, final concentration is 6.5, so मुझे water का देख के पता चल जाएगा ना, दिख रहा है? 6 into ratio of this, 7 into ratio of this will give, अगर 6.5 मुझे दिया हुआ है water concentration in the final mixture, so I can do this. I have taken the water concentration in final mixture, water concentration in first mixture, and water concentration in second mixture. Got it? हाँ, तो उसके लिए तो हमने निकाला है ना, उसके लिए हमने ये तरीका निकाला है ना, that's why we have found this method to put the values, to find the values of x and y, right? This is not about water. This is the concentration of first. This is the amount of first mixture added. This is the amount of second mixture added. Okay. Huh. Huh. We have to take 80 now. We have to take 80 because the ratios are subtracted when we would make it as this, right? We have to take the LCM, right? We have to subtract this, so we have to take the LCM. That's it. है ना? Okay. Now let's move to the next. First mixture and, अरे first, this is 7 is to 6, right? We took the difference here, we took the difference here. ठीक है, we found the ratio of them. This came out to be 7 is to 6. अब seesaw के ऊपर वाला क्या आना चाहिए? Reciprocal of this 7 is to 6. So this will be x is to 7. Right? Done? Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Fresh grapes. Fresh grapes contain 70% of water. Okay. 70% of water. Right? They contain 70% of water. Okay. Now dry grapes contain 30% of water. Okay, 30% of water. Now, how much dry grapes can be formed with 105 kg of water? Okay, 105 kg of water. Right? Fresh grapes, sorry. Fresh grapes. Okay, find it. No, no. If I take 1 kg of grapes, okay, that would also contain 70% of water. If I take 50 kg of grape, that would also contain 70% of water. Right? If one grape contains 70%, then each would contain 70%, right? If I take 50 kg, then 50 kg would also be 70%, right? Right. Yeah. Yeah, done with the answer. Yeah, we have to check. Okay, we have to check. I don't know the answer. I have made the question just now. Okay, let's do it with all the methods, right? Let's do it with the first method. Okay. First method will be what we have. We would always write it in the form of table. Okay, we had 70% water and pulp. Okay, water and pulp will be present here. 70% and 30% pulp in this one, right? And 30% water and 70% pulp in this one, right? So we had 105 kg of fresh grapes. Okay, so in 105 kg, we cannot say that this will remain constant, but this will remain the same, right? This will remain the same. So 30% of first mixture, that is 105 kg, right? We can say that it would be equal to 70% of the second mixture, that is X. Quantity of second mixture is X kg. Clear till here? Clear till here? No? See, it has been given that 70% of water has been present in fresh grapes, right? And we have been given that 105 kg of fresh grapes are present, right? So rest percent will be pulp, right? Rest percent will be pulp. So we can say that the pulp will remain same क्योंकि pulp तो evaporate नहीं होता ना, right? Pulp doesn't evaporate. So we can say that 30% of 105 will be 70% of X kg, which is the amount of dry grapes, right? It will give us, ठीक है ना, धूप में हमने सुखा दिया, we got it, right? And we can write that 30% of the fresh grapes, okay, the quantity of fresh grapes will be 70% of this quantity, right? Right? Dry grapes. Okay, we can say that then 30 upon 100, we don't need to take 30 upon 100, we can write it like 3 upon 7 into 105, it will be X. Right, this will be 21. Okay, we got the quantity of dry grapes as 63 kg. That's it. So this won't be 21, this will be 1 and 35. 15 into 3, 45 kg, sorry. 45 kg will be the quantity of dry grapes. Is it clear till here? To everyone, Udit, Ravi and Sarvesh. Okay, so this question comes in exam. Okay, we will take the second method now. Okay, we will take the second method. हाँ, पल्प को पल्प से इक्वेट कर दो, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि पल्प इवापोरेट नहीं होता, ठीक है. Okay. Now we had done that 30% of water was present. Okay. Okay. Dry grapes. अब इसको दूसरे तरीके से कैसे करेंगे बताओ? How would we do it as different? Okay, let's take the seesaw method. Okay, let's take the seesaw method. Seesaw method से हमको दूसरा वाला भी आ जाएगा, right? This is what kg, right? We are getting the mean here, and we will put the values here. Okay, so concentration will come below, right? 70% will be here and 30% will be here, right? 70% will be here and 30% will be here. Okay, 30% तो final का है ना. Okay, 30% will be here, right? This will be what? This will be what? यहाँ क्या put करेंगे बताओ? What would we put here? 70% water. Water will change. We won't take the water concentration. 30% will be here. Okay. What would we put here? 30% I have taken the pulp here. Okay. We won't do with the water. We will do with the pulp. Okay. We would always choose the entity which gives us the finite relationship. Okay. Okay. So 30% pulp. What would we put here? Here, here, here. What would you put? 30% was the pulp. Okay, यहाँ पे 70% हो जाएगा. Sorry. Okay, this will be 70%. So what would you put here? In this space, what would we put? We are taking the pulp here, right? What would we put here? In this question, we put the value of pure water here. Okay, pure water here. So this will be what? 0% we can take here. Okay, 0% we can take here. इसमें तो आएगा नहीं ना. Okay, I have to check this. I have to check this. Hello. हेलो उदित. मेरा लैपटॉप ऑफ हो गया था. मैं लैपटॉप और स्विच ऑफ. या okay. So there are two people only. So I want to stretch it to that extent. Okay, I will end it in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, this is not working. Okay, this is not working. We have to check another method. Okay, we have to check another method. Let's try it with the water concentration. Okay, what was the water concentration? 70% in the final mixture. Okay, in the final mixture it was 30%. Right. What was the final mixture? The final mixture it was 30%. Okay, 30% of water. 70%. It won't work here. Okay, I have to check this out. I have to check this out. If I put 30% of water here, okay, in the mean, then what would I add here? What would I add here? If I add 0 here, then I would get 70, 30, 50. Okay, this will get 5 is to 3, 3 is to 5. Okay, this was 5 is to 3, so this will be 3 is to 5. Okay, no, this won't be the case. This won't be the case. 5 is to 3, 8 is coming here, or it would be 70. Okay, so we can do this by this method also. Okay, we had 70% and 30% was the final mixture, right? 30% was the final mixture, right? We took 0. Okay, we took 0 on the other end because the pure pulp we have taken. Okay, this was 70%, we have taken 0% as the pure pulp, right? So this is the way of doing this question. Okay, explanation I will give you tomorrow. Okay, I will give you the explanation tomorrow why we have been taking pulp here. Okay, so 40% has been given here, 30% has been given here. We are getting 4 is to 3. You would have to take 3 is to 4 here, right? 3 is to 4 here. Okay, this is 3, this is 4. So we can easily find what we were finding here. 3 is to 7 of 1 is 1 of 5 can be given as pulp. Okay, and we can easily find the answer, right? This is a much bigger and confusing method than this, right? So hope this is clear. Ravi and Sarvesh, सीसो वाला मुश्किल है, ठीक है ना, कंफ्यूजिंग है, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ, डू इट योर सेल्फ। ओके, आई विल टेल यू द मेथड टुमारो। ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ जीरो वाला मुझे खुद भी नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं जीरो वाला क्यों नहीं, ठीक है, बट दिस इज द मेथड, आई हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट, राइट? ओके, I have to find it out. So I have taken it through hunch, right? I have taken it through experience, but I have to find it. Okay, ठीक है, चलो, this is all for today. Okay, there are two. हाँ, yeah, हाँ, yeah, there is a recording. ठीक है, ठीक है, just one जो क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे वही था, ठीक है ना? आई एम नॉट वेटिंग फॉर एवरीवन, ठीक है ना? इससे आई लूज 10 to 15 minutes, right? If you have any doubts, okay, please send it out here. We will discuss it in the class. Okay, that's why I given you half an hour extra, right? And you would do all the questions of allegations, right? You would do all the questions of allegation from SK Burma PDF I have given you, right? So that we would be able to do higher level mixture questions. Okay, assignment no problem. I will give you an assignment so that we will be able to do the higher level mixture questions. Okay. So until you do that yourself, and you have not been doing, right? I think Ravi has already done this, right? You have to do it, right? You have to do it yourself. I would keep on giving you questions, and you won't